moving day. We got the U-Haul truck picked up after I went to the wrong U-Haul place, and then didn't have my phone, and then needed to call my mom to call Sue to come get me, to bring me to the right U-Haul place, the other side of town. So we got that. We're heading back to the house, the apartment I should say. We're gonna start loading that up. We did a couple runs last night, so we're in good shape. Guys are meeting us over there, and yeah, so there we go. What are you getting there? Oh, you get that box still? No. Jesus Christ. So it looks like everything's moved out. Don't you get that box and you taking that thing with you? You need that thing? Yeah, is that your bottle opener? Maddie coming out every time for the move. It's the crew. I'll show you what the truck looks like in a second. The truck is full. We have enough room for the stuff in the storage place, so we're good. We are on the car. We got the truck packed. We got most of our stuff from the storage and from the apartment, and we're heading to the house now. We got we're minus sans the whirlwind potato, but four of us plus two, we should be all right getting the stuff in the house. All right, we're driving towards the house right now. This is the complete opposite of where we used to live. We're about to go on a dirt road, which is very interesting. So this is a road we got to take to the house that is a conservation land, and they can't pave it because of the migration of the birds and the animals. Will screw up the migration. So it's literally a dirt road we're on right now, and there's marsh on both sides. So you can't be drunk driving this road. You end up in the fucking marsh.
You should be drunk driving anyway, Arty.
Oh yeah, that's true. I mean, we look like we're in another state here. I feel like we're in Montana. All right, we just finished unloading. Then we had to go pick up one more stop. We had to get another bed. So we got that loaded up now. We're gonna bring it back to the house, put that in there, and then I gotta go turn the U-Haul truck in. I got 5 hours for the U-Haul, but I don't want to get there before 6 and drop it off, and then go to the apartment, do a little cleaning, pick up Henry from my mother's, and then go to the house and we do some cleaning up there because the house is a fucking mess right now. So, but it's been an adventure so far.
What do you see, bud?
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.